everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful hat. I use 6mm hook and 6mm yarn. This yarn suitable for 6 and 6.5mm hook. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot and chaining yarn over, pull up yarn. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have 30 chains. I show I have 25 centimeters of these chains, and you can make larger than this size. Add chains and make larger than this size. In here, skip this chain. I show. Skip one chain, go to next chain. Take these yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet. Mark this first stitch. Go to next chains. Take two yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through. Take two yarns, make one single crochet in each stitch. One single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, and continue. Make one single crochet in each stitch for the first row. I show into last chains. Take two yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, go to last chain. Take two yarns, pull up yarn, pull through. In last stitch, add 1, 2 chains. Turn the work. We have 1, 2 chains in here and one chain on hook. Skip one chain, go to next chain. I show. Skip one chain, go to next this chain. Take two yarns. I show. Two yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through. Mark this stitch. In here, continue to crochet from back loops. Take back loops on your hook, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and continue from back loops. In here, this is first stitch. Continue like this. Go to into last stitch, insert your hook into a stitch, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, go to last stitch, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook, yarn over, pull through all of them, make a chain, turn it, go to this stitch first all, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 single crochet in here, go to this stitch from back loop, make 1 single crochet in each stitch, single crochet from back loop, make back loop single crochet in each stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch from back loop. In last stitch, take 2 loops on your hook, 2 yarns on your hook, make 1 single crochet in last stitch, add 1, 2 chains, turn the work, skip 1 chain, go to next chain, go to this all, pull up yarn, pull through, same as this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch from back loop, make 1 single crochet in each stitch from back loop, I made 1 single crochet in each stitch until here. In here we have 2 stitches. Take 2 yarns on your hook, insert your hook, pull up yarn, hold this yarn on your hook, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, same as this row, pull through all of them, make a chain, turn it, go to this all, skip 1 chain, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through, continue from back loops, I make more rows, I show 1 more in here, make from back loops, make 2 chains, turn the work, skip this chain, go to next chain, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through single crochet, continue from back loop, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. And continue. Go to last stitch, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, go to last stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, make a chain, turn it, go to this hole, 1 single crochet, continue from back loops, and make more rows like these rows I show. Decrease from this sides, increase in other sides. I made these rows, measure this side around your head. You can make this part larger than this size. Make more rows and measure this side around your head. In here, continue like this. Fold. I show. This is front of work. This side front of work I show. Fold it like this. Insert your hook into first yarn. Take this yarn on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. Take this yarn, take this loop. We have 2 loops in here. Take this loop on your hook, pull through, take this loop, take this loop, and other side. Continue. Go to last stitch, take these loops, a slip stitch, I show, this is front of work, I show. In here, make a chain, continue like this, hide this tail of yarn under a stitch, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, Go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. In next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Make one single crochet in each stitch. One single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet, and continue. I made one single crochet in each stitch. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, go to first stitch, make one single crochet in each stitch, and make like this. Make more rows. Go to first stitch, slip stitch,